Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope everybody's fine. So, I'm doing my Mind Lab project. I'm working on emotions and animal behaviors. This is one of the interesting topic I have taken. I have taken both cat and rat as a model to study the animal behavior. So, friends, I will reverse it. I will show you the rat first, which I am able to trap inside the cage. Let me reverse this thing, then I'll come back to you. Just wait for a minute. Thank you. So you can see this rat, it is trapped inside the cage. So this is not only one rat. In my Mind Lab project, due to Corona, so since there is no office staff, I made it is a kind of a Mind Lab. I do a lot of experiment on rat, cats. I have one more project at my house that I am working on. Cats from the day one. Those rats are not as a pet. I keep a lot of foods over here. So they come from outside sometimes, and there are some rats are living here. They have also delivered some babies. Never mind. So I have some food stuff at night time in my absence when lights are off. They usually come and try to grab those foods wherever it may be. So they are very smart. There is very smart means you keep at top also they will go and they try to eat all those things. So friends, what I'm trying to tell you, this is relating to my poetry. I have written 32 years back one poetry. Now, how nicely this cat is inside the cage. I will release after some time. I have to release little away from my office. So, I was trying to correlate one interesting observation that I have written 32 years back. This is the Maya illusion. The cage is a kind of a Maya, and inside this cage we are all living. The entire human world is living, basically, who follows the Hinduism. I'll come back to you about this philosophy of Maya. Maya is nothing but illusion or magic. We always, whoever is following Hinduism, they believe that Maya or illusion are there. In the Vedic period also, this illusion also was there. Then it gradually, your Shankaracharya, wherever your Hindu philosophy extended, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all they believe in Mayabad. Maya is kind of illusion. বন্ধুরা যারা আমাদের বাঙালি পাঠক আছে অনেকে বাংলা যারা ভালো বুঝতে পারেন, আমি একটা মাইন্ড ল্যাবের প্রজেক্ট করছি। সেই প্রজেক্টে আজ থেকে ৩২ বছর আগে একটা কবিতা লিখেছিলাম, জাতা কলের ইঁদুর। সেই কবিতাটার বিশ্লেষণ করতে গিয়ে আমার মাইন্ড ল্যাবে, আমার এখানে অফিসে যখন এই প্রজেক্টগুলো করছি, অনেক ইঁদুরের ঘোরাঘুরি, রাতে মাঝে মাঝে বিছানায় চলে আসে। তো আমার বন্ধু হিসেবে হয়তো চলে আসে, তো আই ডোন্ট কিল দেম, ওদেরকে মারার চেষ্টা করি না। আই সি টু ইট দ্যাট they should live here for some time. They have delivered some babies also, small rats. It is already there. So এটা মাইন্ড ল্যাবের অ্যানিমেল বিহেভিয়ার স্টাডির জন্য এই প্রজেক্টটা করা। এটাকে আমি ট্যাপ করেছি। ট্যাপ করার পরে যখন দেখলাম এখন সকাল ৮টা বাজে, তো আমি কবিতাটা পড়ে শোনাচ্ছি। সেটা প্রথমে শুনে নিক, তারপরে আমি মায়াবাদের যে কাহিনীটা আছে সেটা একটু বলার চেষ্টা করবো। আই উইল টক অ্যাবাউট হোয়াট ইজ মায়াবাদ, হোয়াট ইজ দিস মায়া ফিলোসফি, what is this illusion about all this Mayabad that is all capturing Indian minds, whoever is believing the Hinduism and Mayabad is really existing. What is this philosophy is all about? My rat, my poetry, and myself. And back of my side there is a Buddha. Moreover, it is very interesting to note that the Buddha's mother, her name also is Maya. So even Buddha doesn't believe the philosophy of Maya. Buddha's philosophy is totally different. His philosophy is your body, তোমার শরীর, তুমি কাজ করো, তোমার শরীরটা হচ্ছে যে একটা শরীরের যে এনার্জিটা আছে, গরম কাজ করার পরে যে এনার্জি, দ্যাট উইল বি গ্র্যাজুয়ালি ইউর মাস টু এনার্জি, ইট উইল বি ট্রান্সফার্ড। মানে তোমার মধ্যে অনেক দুঃখ আছে, সেই দুঃখটাকে রিলিজ করতে গেলে তোমাকে কাজের মধ্য দিয়ে তোমাকে রিলিজ করতে হবে। সেটা হচ্ছে যে বৌদ্ধজিমের একটা ভালো কথা। কিন্তু বুদ্ধের মায়ের নামও হচ্ছে মায়া। তো আমি আমার এই কবিতাতে প্রথমে আসছি, তারপরে আমি এই যে 4-5টা ফিলোসফিক্যাল প্র্যাকটিক্যাল থিংকে বোঝানোর চেষ্টা করছি। let me come back to this rat part again. Thank you. কবিতার নাম জাঁতা কলের ইঁদুর। কবিতাটি 32 বছর আগের লেখা, 32 years back, and this was published in this book রাত কুঠারের গান. So when I was first year student of MSc, but it was written little earlier, but publication done in the year of 1990. So let me read out this poetry. জাঁতা কলের ইঁদুর। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, তোমার মুখে এক থাপ্পড় মেরে চলে গেল, কিছু বললে না। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, তোমার মুখে এক থাপ্পড় মেরে চলে গেল, কিছু বললে না। আর অমনি বাঁগালটা বাড়িয়ে দিলে। তুমি বড় বোকা, তুমি বড় বোকা রতন খুড়ো, তোমার পাকা ধানের উপর মই চালিয়ে দিল, তুমি কিচ্ছু বললে না। কাল বাজারে মাছ কিনতে গিয়ে বলে ফেললে, দাও হে মাসি ভালো একটা কাটা পোনা। কাল বাজারে মাছ কিনতে গিয়ে বলে ফেললে, মাসি দাও হে ভালো কাটা পোনা। পচা মাছ নিয়ে বাড়ি ফিরলে, পচা মাছ নিয়ে বাড়ি ফিরলে, কিচ্ছু বললে না। তুমি কিচ্ছু বললে না, তুমি কিচ্ছু বললে না। ডালে হলুদ বেশি বলতে গিয়েই বউয়ের সাথে লঙ্কা কাণ্ড। ডালে হলুদ বেশি বলতে গিয়েই বউয়ের সাথে লঙ্কা কাণ্ড। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, তুমি না ঢ্যাঁড়স, তোমার সিন্দুকের চাবি তোমার বউয়ের আঁচলে, তোমার সিন্দুকের চাবি তোমার বউয়ের আঁচলে। তোমার ভাগ্যে কলা। তোমার পুচকে ছেলেটা মুখে থুতু দিয়ে চলে গেল। আইবুড়ো মেয়েটা রুমাল উড়িয়ে চলে গেল। আজ নাইট শোতে এ মার্কা ছবি, আজ নাইট শোতে এ মার্কা ছবি। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, কি ব্যাপার কি হে, ঘরে দুটো সিঙ্গেল খাট, ঘরে দুটো সিঙ্গেল খাট, কেমন ছাড়া ছাড়া ভাব। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, ঘরে যে দুটো সিঙ্গেল খাট, কেমন ছাড়া ছাড়া ভাব। বিকেলে আজকাল আর বিকেলে আজকাল আর মাঠে এসো না যে। এলে তো ভালো হয়। বিকেলে আজকাল আর মাঠে আসো না যে, এলে তো ভালো হয়। একটু মনের কথা বলা যায়, একটু মনের কথা বলা যায়। মনটা আমাদেরও ভালো নেই, মনটা আমাদেরও ভালো নেই। কেমন যেন সব ফাঁকা ফাঁকা, কেমন যেন সব ফাঁকা ফাঁকা। মাঠ আছে, গ্যালারি আছে, দর্শক আছে, খেলাটা ঠিক জমছে না। মাঠ আছে, গ্যালারি আছে, দর্শক আছে, খেলাটা ঠিক জমছে না। হাঁটছি, শুধুই হাঁটছি। পায়ের মাটিটা কেমন যেন নরম নরম, পায়ের মাটিটা কেমন যেমন নরম নরম। পথ ঘাট সব শুকনো, তবুও কেমন যেন চিটচিটে ভাব, তবুও কেমন যেন সব চিটচিটে ভাব। চপ্পলটা মাটির সাথে সেঁটে যাচ্ছে। এঁটেল মাটির রাস্তা তো। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, তুমি কিছু বলছো না যে। ঘরে আজ রান্না হয়নি বুঝি, ঘরে আজ রান্না হয়নি বুঝি। বউ করেছে স্ট্রাইক, বউ করেছে স্ট্রাইক। নন কোঅপারেশন মুভমেন্ট, বউ করেছে স্ট্রাইক, নন কোঅপারেশন মুভমেন্ট। ভাতের হাঁড়ির ঢাকনা বন্ধ, বউ বুঝি বাসি পান্তা খেয়ে ঘুমিয়ে পড়েছে। তোমার যে আবার ব্রঙ্কাইটিস, তোমার যে আবার ব্রঙ্কাইটিস, টনসিলের ধার। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, কি হে রতন খুড়ো, তুমি কিছু বলছো না যে। কি হে রতন খুড়ো, তুমি কিছু বলছো না যে। Friends, this poetry is written 32 years back. To understand the life of Indian life, I follow Hinduism. So I should talk about the Hinduism. The core of Hinduism is Maya. So this Maya is illusion, and how this Maya is being percolated in our society, our acts of life, everywhere. In Western world, you will see they don't believe the philosophy of Maya. They are a rational thinker, they are very practical. They critically analyze all those things. Either it would be in their personal life, social life, wherever. They are the rational thinkers. But in India, we are in Mayabad. This Mayabad leads to many things because of Maya, where we lose your reasoning power. From Ved to Shankaracharya to what I say, it is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So there are many such Mayas. Even the Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, it's part of Maya. So we feel there is a divine force. That divine force is going to do, and if you follow the Maya, probably they are going to do all those things. Friends, let me come back to you. I want to show my rat, then I will come back to you. This is an interesting topic. Probably I need to conclude in many ways. And I talked about Gautam Buddha. I have given some idea of Maya. I will enter into the real rat, how this rat inside the cage. I talked about my poetry. There I told whoever is not versed with this Bengali for my English or other Hindi learning friends, I want to convey the message is there in the rat is a cage. It's like your life. Each life is put under the cage, and you have the family, your husband, wife, kids, father, relatives, all are binds together, and who you are trying to live and adjust inside this cage. Even if you want to get out from this system, it is very difficult because we try to give kind of a illusionary thing that is called the Maya. Because of this Maya, I kept some food inside this rat cage and rat enters inside. It's probably for the hunger it went inside, but it trapped inside this Maya. So let me come back and show you this rat again, then I'll come back to you. I want to make things little conclusive. I was trying to get a model for last 30 years, but luckily I got this rat today. I do not know if this is a coincidence or I told anything happens in life, it doesn't happen automatically. There is a reason probably. That's why this rat is here. I love this rat so much that I want to release them. I'll take my car, I'll release them 100 meters away from my home so that they can live their life nicely. Let me come back to you. I'll show you the rat. Thank you. Now this rat you can see inside the cage. Show what I was trying to tell over here. The human life, the cage is also your rat. Whatever things in your life, when you are married, you have family, wife, kids, and your parents, you have a responsibility. So everybody does the responsibility. Whichever circumstances, they try to do the best possible way, all those things. And there are some ifs and buts, all those things probably it comes. Every home there are small things, but we try to adjust with small emotion, that is the Maya. Everything we forget by adding those Maya gene. So this Maya Bad. So we consider, okay, if somebody is telling something or somebody is not doing something, we try to feel that, okay, sab Maya. Is Maya, if you are not able to do any job also, you say this is because of Maya, Maya Bad. If you are not able to succeed in life also, because of Maya, everything is Maya. Maya is everywhere. Because of Maya, the society is moving. Now coming back, very interesting observation. I told this because of Maya, our rational thought process is not analyzing certain things very carefully. I want to bring two events here. The first event is our constitution, our human behavioral pattern, whoever is following the Hinduism. I want to restrict two things in the Hinduism, this Maya. Maya is far away from the science. It has got no correlation with science. Your Lakshmi. If you want to bring Lakshmi, if you only keep a Lakshmi ideal, money won't come. So, to bring Lakshmi or to respect Lakshmi, you need to work to earn money. Work intelligently and work honestly. So, what is happening? Because of Lakshmi, we feel that money is coming. Nobody knows from where those monies are coming, whether it is coming or right or wrong direction. One has to see that part. So you have to work hard to earn money. But if you put the emotions of Lakshmi, that if you feel that automatically money is going to come, So there are ways also to bring money automatically. I am not getting into that part. But this Maya, this punch is driving us to bring money whichever means we want to practice. This is a social thing. I have included that part. You talk about the political system. What kind of Mayabad is spreading? In political, our constitution, I told you there are three Maya. One Maya is our Indian constitution. The first Maya is the reservation. So what B.R. Ambedkar told for 10 years, our good political leader, they extended to another 65 years. It is because of the Maya. So they have not bothered about the importance or continuation or discontinuation of this reservation. Now you can see the impact, what is happening in the society. Another Maya is 164 article, same B.R. Ambedkar. I told in my previous lecture that B.R. Ambedkar is a very, very intelligent person. He is a quite learned person. He cannot do Mayabad over here. I have made a 1 hour 30 minutes video. I have explained the role of Ambedkar in making or introducing those clauses. One is the reservation for the lower caste for 10 years, and his restriction also I have mentioned why he has done it and what is his idea, because I personally feel that B.R. Ambedkar is not the follower of Hinduism. That's why he has changed in later stage of life to Buddhism. I'll come back to you. This article 164 is again part of Maya. What is this Maya is all about? This Maya talks about a defeated, democratically defeated person get the re-entry in the political system. 6 months time, 6 months oxygen has been given to get into the system through Maya. So, without thinking about the morality, emotions, only you have brought the emotions, the Indianness. But rationally, if you think, no country in this world, when Ambedkar was writing Indian constitution, he has consulted many constitutions. What forced them Ambedkar to write 164 and the reservation? That is a very kind of a question mark. I think on later stage of your life, he has regretted. The other part is, other Maya, what is that Maya? Is the civil code for different religion. He tried to make some civil code will be applied to Hindus, some will be for the Muslim. So, is there any kind of compulsion to do that? That is what we need to see. I told in my video that Ambedkar is not that fool. He is a very, very intelligent, sharp person. After writing his constitution in later stage of your life, his realization probably made him to get into Buddhism. So Buddhism philosophy talks about the right to work, and you work, and your through karma, your life journey will be there, and it will lead to your rest part of your life. Friends, what I am trying to correlate over here, this Maya is killing us. This Mayabad in Hinduism, everywhere it is killing us, our society. This Maya has to be taken a very kind of a logical thing. এই মায়াবাদটাকে যত আমরা উপরে চড়াবো, I told you, your emotion and rational thinking, Maya is nothing but your emotions. And your rational thinking means you put science, logic, and everything. Your morality, everything is coming to the picture. When it is Maya, it is nothing. The relation between Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru, it is everybody knows because of Maya. There is no rational thinking. What is the relation between Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, and Jawaharlal Nehru? Why Mahatma Gandhi is favoring Jawaharlal Nehru? It is because of Maya. Your partition of India is also because of Maya. There is absolutely nothing. Same Subhash Chandra Bose is being eliminated because he is a rational thinker. So what I am trying to draw, even though Subhash Chandra Bose given this name Jatir Janak, name is given by Subhash Chandra to Mahatma Gandhi. So he has got the respect. But in the ideological front of view, there are Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhi, and Jawaharlal Nehru. They are the part of Mayabad. So Maya encroached them. But Subhash Chandra Bose, because of the rational thinking, he was gradually eliminated. So friends, I am not getting into the more complexity of the topic. My rat is enjoying inside the case. It helped me to debunk those my poetry, what is written 32 years back. I am trying to correlate all those things. Finally, I personally believe that our life of Hindu philosophy is full of Mayas. Because of Maya, we are living irrespective of whatever problems, your things are there, we are able to sustain. Because of Maya, our family life is little better, means not like Western life. So that's why you see the relationship between husband, wife, the other brothers and sisters, they have some emotional bonding. In Western world, it is not there. But while putting those things in the emotions are good, but in practical life, in society, those things are not applicable. In a democracy, if you are running a democracy, if you are giving a lot of concessions to the defeated person, to unknown person, unwanted person to get entry, then there is a real danger. So friends, my rat, you can see inside, the case is nicely enjoying. I want to come back. Give me 1 minute, sir. You give me 1 minute. মায়াবাদের জন্য সংসারে হয়তো অনেকটা অ্যাডজাস্টমেন্ট, রিলেশনশিপের ক্ষেত্রে মায়া জিনিসটা খুব ভালো কাজ করে। ওয়েস্টার্ন ওয়ার্ল্ডের ক্ষেত্রে মায়াবাদ নেই। ওয়েস্টার্ন ওয়ার্ল্ড, দে ডোন্ট ফলো দ্য মায়াবাদ। Indian philosophy, Hinduism, they follow the Mayabad. Because of Mayabad, we are not able to separate it out. Our emotions in the political system, we have applied the same philosophy, Maya. Because of Maya, if somebody is defeated also in that Maya, also you want to keep. Our constitution also made such kind of provision, I told. আমি যেটা বললাম, B.R. আম্বেদকর হিন্দু ধর্ম থেকে বুদ্ধ ধর্মেতে গ্রহণ করেছিল শেষ জীবনে, কনস্টিটিউশন লেখার পরে। তার কারণটা কি? কারণটা হিন্দু ধর্মের আর বৌদ্ধ ধর্মের ফিলোসফিক্যাল আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং টোটালি ডিফারেন্ট। হিন্দু ধর্ম মায়াবাদে বিশ্বাস করে, বৌদ্ধ ধর্ম মায়াবাদে বিশ্বাস করে না। বৌদ্ধ ধর্ম অনেক র্যাশনাল থিঙ্কিংয়ের উপরে চলে, যেখানে সায়েন্স আছে, রিজনিং আছে, তোমার কাজ করার দরকার আছে সেগুলো। আমি 3টে কনস্টিটিউশনের 3টে কথা বলেছি। নাম্বার 1, দ্য রিজার্ভেশন। নাম্বার 2, আর্টিকেল 164, দ্য ব্যাকডোর এন্ট্রি। তো ডেমোক্রেসি রান করতে গেলে এই যে প্রবলেমগুলো আমাদের সমাজে হচ্ছে, এখানে তোমাদের কনস্টিটিউশনের অনেক রকমের রুলকে, ইউ হ্যাভ টু পুট কনস্টিটিউশন ইন অর্ডার। so that unwanted things are not, because it's a document. Your constitution is the foundation. If you are making a house having pillars with less cement, yeah, you have very thin cement, and you have put lot of bamboos, all those things, you are building a good multi-storied building, and your foundation is not good. Your constitution is the foundation. Your entire last 75 years, whatever suffer we are making because of the loopholes of constitution. You can talk about the reservation. This is extended till 75 years. It is in multiplied similar way. Your civil code for Muslims separate, for there are two different civil code. There must be uniform civil code. And third is Article 164, where somebody is defeated after fighting election either in the state or center or anywhere. So this entry provision given for 6 months, you re-elected, so you run the country, a constitutional post, you run it. It is absolutely, for me, I am Indian citizen, I strongly object to this point. Last 75 years, this 164, this reservation, not uniform civil code is not there because of so much problems. And today what we are finding or facing those problems because of all those things, accumulative effect. The right people are not getting chance for job. There are highly intelligent people there. They're working as a municipal corporation as a sweeper. I know many friends. They are MSc in statistics from good university. They are working in a postal service department, fixing postal stamp. I am sorry to tell all those things. Recently, you have found out in India there are many jobs, municipal corporation job. There are 5,000, 10,000 PhD candidates they have applied. These are all realities. All those things coming because of reservation. If you have 45, 52% reservation, then what else left? So I strongly believe this should be abolished. 164 to be abolished. Anybody is been defeated, he or she doesn't have any role to play in the democracy. She has to wait for another 5 years. There is no XYZ person because of Indian citizenship, Indian, you can stay to entry. If somebody's father is chief minister or prime minister after death, you install somebody. Democracy cannot be run through installation. It is a process. Here you are dealing with 140 crores people. What kind of understanding somebody will have if it is taking from XYZ place? If somebody is defeated, some people have defeated means it is a defeat, it is a defeat. There is no second thought. I have told in my many videos, defeat should be taken as a defeat, either for the election or for the exam, wherever it is. Defeat is a defeat. So, if I am a doctor, if I am not able to clear my medical, I am not getting chance to do the practice. If I am a lawyer or if I am an engineer, if I am not able to clear my papers, I do not have right to practice. So those kind of provisions are not provided to common civilians. Friends, I am not getting into the point. Let's enjoy this beauty of the poetry. Let's enjoy how Mayabad, whether rightly placed or wrongly placed in politics or not, please give me your opinion. I want to hear, because I am making the Mind Lab project. Day and night I am working with some documents with animal emotions, and I am making some recent documents. What are the changes required? This is to understand. So for my knowledge and understanding, after refining this thing, probably I can publish some documents openly how to do the reforms, taking society in mind, education, entrepreneurship. What are the changes required in politics? I have things in my mind. Thank you very much. Thank you. This my poetry book is totally torn. Yes, I am holding here like this for last 35 years. I have very few copies. So I try to keep this book because this is my lot of thoughts, lot of imagination. আমার অনেক কষ্ট করে লেখা আমার 18 বছর বয়সে এই কবিতাগুলো। So I cannot simply give it to the Raddi fellow. So I thought, let me utilize this. Corona has given me enough opportunity to think. So I have utilized my money 32, 33 years back. At the age of 15, 16, I've been writing poetry. So there must be some meaning. If you are holding this book, means there is some meaning. You can see this book. It's gone. I have few copies, probably different libraries, my home. I want to reprint this book with a different language. That is what I have the idea. Anyway, thank you very much. I'm so sorry to bother you all and talk about my idea of my poetry, Maya, and politics, how this is correlated in life everywhere. Thank you very much once again. God bless everybody. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.